Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Strive. Strive means make great efforts to achieve or obtain something. For example, national movements were striving for independence. National movements were striving for independence.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Some people are perfectionists, constantly striving for excellence. Now, repeat after me. Some people are perfectionists, constantly striving for excellence. The second exemplar. We continually strive to improve, to satisfy our guests, he said. Now, repeat after me. We continually strive to improve, to satisfy our guests, he said. The third exemplar. In an imperfect world, imperfect people are striving to achieve perfection. Now, repeat after me. In an imperfect world, imperfect people are striving to achieve perfection.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word triskaidekaphobia means extreme fear of the number 13. This superstition is related to paraskavidikatriophobia, which means fear of Friday the 13th.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.